Bitcoin mining, the blockchain, Dogecoin. Cryptocurrency is having a notable impact on the world's financial markets, but it's also affecting the environment.
It's something I'm very comfortable with at this point. I'm a believer in the long-term utility of Bitcoin.
If you have less money than Elon, you should probably watch out.
Blockchain technologies are challenging the traditional ways of doing business and pushing boundaries across multiple sectors. By providing a transparent, decentralized, and secure platform, blockchain is empowering industries to operate with greater efficiency, accountability, and inclusivity. In this chapter, we explore these groundbreaking changes in detail. Market impact. The economic effects of blockchain are most visible in financial markets, where blockchain technology has revolutionized processes and challenged conventional institutions. By facilitating trustless transactions, blockchain removes the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. In traditional banking and payment systems, decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms are gaining ground, with services like lending, borrowing, and trading becoming increasingly accessible and affordable. Many users find DeFi platforms not only cheaper, but also faster than traditional banking methods, as there is no dependency on physical banks or other intermediaries. Cross-border transactions. Blockchain is also changing how cross-border payments are conducted. Conventional international transfers are often sluggish and costly due to complex intermediary chains and currency conversions. Blockchain technology, however, provides a solution that cuts out intermediaries, allowing direct transfers and ensuring transparency. Notably, platforms like Ripple and Stellar have made cross-border transfers faster and cheaper by enabling assets to move directly between parties. For businesses operating on a global scale, this reduces payment times from days to minutes and cuts down the fees traditionally associated with cross-border transactions. Settlement and clearing blockchain's immutable ledger technology is also simplifying the processes of settlement and clearing in financial markets. Settlement and clearing traditionally involve multiple entities, creating room for errors, delays, and high costs. Blockchain's real-time transaction capabilities offer a streamlined approach that reduces time and costs, making it especially valuable for exchanges and financial institutions handling high volumes of trades. Beyond finance, transforming industries. Blockchain's impact is also reshaping industries beyond finance. By enhancing transparency and accountability, it offers transformative potential in various sectors. Supply chain chains worldwide are benefiting from blockchain's capacity to enhance traceability and transparency. Every transaction and movement of goods can be recorded on a decentralized ledger, providing a verifiable and immutable record of the entire supply chain. This enables companies to confirm the origin and authenticity of products, ensuring compliance with regulations and improving consumer confidence. Walmart, for example, has used blockchain to trace the source of food products, significantly reducing the time needed to track items in the event of a safety concern. Healthcare. In healthcare, blockchain is being explored as a way to improve patient data security, privacy, and interoperability. Patient records stored on blockchain networks offer a tamper-proof solution that ensures only authorized access to sensitive information. By facilitating seamless data sharing between healthcare providers, blockchain enables better coordination of patient care and accelerates research collaboration. Projects like MedRec are leading the way by providing patients with more control over their health data, enabling them to grant and revoke access as they see fit. Intellectual property and digital rights management. Blockchain technology is also revolutionizing intellectual property, IP management, and digital rights protection. Creators can now use blockchain to securely record ownership, manage licensing agreements, and enforce royalty payments through smart contracts. This automation reduces administrative costs, ensures fair compensation, and protects creators' rights by establishing a transparent system of ownership. Real estate. Blockchain is making real estate transactions more efficient and secure by digitizing the recording of property ownership. Traditional real estate transactions are often cumbersome and involve numerous intermediaries, increasing costs and delays. Blockchain enables the digital recording of property transactions, making the process faster, reducing the potential for fraud, and ensuring that ownership records are transparent and immutable. Startups like Proppy are pioneering blockchain solutions that aim to simplify and secure property transactions for buyers, sellers, and investors. Additionally, tokenized real estate is emerging, allowing fractional ownership of property, which opens up opportunities for smaller investors and creates more liquidity in the real estate market. With blockchain, real estate investments become accessible to a wider audience, increasing financial inclusion and allowing individuals to invest in property markets that were once out of reach, economic opportunities and risks. Blockchain brings immense economic potential, but it also poses risks. Let's take a closer look at these investment opportunities and challenges. Investment opportunities. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have attracted investors due to their high returns, while ICOs and token sales offer early-stage investment opportunities in emerging blockchain projects. DeFi platforms have introduced decentralized financial products that yield high returns, enabling users to engage in lending, borrowing, and yield farming. Venture capital in blockchain startups also provides exposure to promising innovations and potentially lucrative returns. Speculative risks. Blockchain assets are known for volatility, with prices susceptible to sudden changes due to market sentiment and regulatory shifts. Moreover, the evolving regulatory landscape for blockchain assets can lead to uncertain investment outcomes. Security risks, including hacking and fraud, pose further challenges, especially for investors in decentralized exchanges and online wallets. Thorough research and caution are essential to navigate these speculative risks. Economic benefits. Blockchain technology's potential benefits are substantial. By eliminating intermediaries, blockchain reduces costs, enhances efficiency, and minimizes transaction processing times. Its transparent nature builds trust, providing verifiable records that improve accountability. Additionally, blockchain extends financial services to underserved populations, potentially fostering economic development in regions without access to traditional banking. Potential drawbacks. Despite its promise, blockchain technology also faces obstacles. Evolving regulations can present challenges, particularly in jurisdictions with unclear policies. Certain blockchain consensus mechanisms, like proof of work, require significant energy resources, raising environmental concerns. Scalability remains another issue, as blockchain networks with high transaction volumes experience slower processing and increased fees. Technological complexity further limits adoption, as blockchain integration often requires specialized knowledge. As blockchain technology advances, it holds tremendous potential to reshape the economy and redefine industries. By fostering transparency, efficiency, and innovation, blockchain is empowering businesses and individuals alike. However, with its risks and challenges, blockchain's path forward requires thoughtful regulation, technological refinement, and a commitment to addressing scalability and environmental issues. As this technology continues to mature, it promises to unlock new economic opportunities and lay the groundwork for a more decentralized, efficient future. Through strategic collaboration and innovation, blockchain has the potential to bring about significant changes, making a lasting impact on industries, economies, and communities around the globe.